This is a final video to fix the GFX STATE error that keeps happening in RDR2, and if this crash keeps ruining your gameplay, you are in the right place. Are you trying to enjoy Red Dead Redemption 2, but the game suddenly closes and shows the GFX STATE error again and again? This problem usually happens because your game struggles to talk properly with your graphics card, or because some game files, drivers, or background settings clash with each other. The game gets confused, and instead of running smoothly, it crashes. Most solutions you see on YouTube or social media are too long, too technical, or full of random settings that make things worse. That is why in this video on Rexist, I will show you 4 proven methods to fix this error, and I guarantee at least one of them will work for you, even if the problem feels very critical and nothing has worked before. I want you to pause this video and try these methods one by one, or take screenshots so you can follow them calmly without missing anything. Do not skip around. Do not rush. Just follow each method fully before moving to the next. These methods are simple, safe, and tested by many players who face the same crash. Stay focused. Follow the method steps by steps showing on the screen, and your game should finally run without that annoying GFX STATE error.